Hey everybody, how are you? It's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and it is day 24 of Vlogmas, and I'm on my 24th garland that I found for you. And can you believe that there are lots of garlands that I didn't even put in this? I mean, there are so many different patterns out there. So even after I've showed you 25 of them, if you're still not finding one that you really like a lot, do a Pinterest search, do a Ravelry search, do an Instagram search, because there are so many great ideas out there. And like we saw with yesterday's, sometimes you might want to take something from one garland and something from another garland and put them all together, and that would be kind of fun too. So yeah, let's take a look at what we have today. Okay, I'm just taking a quick peek at my notes down here. Okay, so this is a red heart Yarnspirations pattern, and it's super, super cute. This one, unlike a lot of the garlands we've seen, is not like strung together with just a chain of yarn. This one is like a solid piece. I mean, it's substantial. They've got it shown here hanging on the tree, and that's really, really pretty. But I could also see it tacked around like almost to frame a doorway or frame a mantelpiece, not necessarily hanging from it, but framing it. So I like this one a lot. I think if it were me, I might use a different color scheme. I'm not as crazy about the pale green in this case. Now I do like pale green for Christmas, as you can see back here. On my pillow, I did use pale green to join my Christmas squares. But I don't know, for the garland, I think I would like it more of a very dark green, you know, something that looks a little bit more like the holly and the ivy, you know, that you would see at Christmas time. That's just my personal preference though, and that's what's really nice about these projects, is you could do whatever you want with them color-wise. You can make it however you want. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Again, this is Yarnspirations, and if you would like a link to this pattern, go ahead and click in the link below, in the description below, and that's going to take you to my Pinterest board, and you can see all of the garlands and then some that are on my Pinterest board, and you know, choose one that you might like to try maybe next year. It might be a little too late this year, but you know, there's always next year. It's never too early to start planning. Plus, all the Christmas yarn is going to go on sale soon, right? So there's that. Okay, everybody, I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it. And Merry Christmas to you. And tomorrow's the big day. So I hope that you have the opportunity to just kind of chill and sit back and relax and put your feet up, because you deserve it. We all do. All right, everybody, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.